plus sign in the middle of the paper. So if I pick this much height here, same thing I will try on the bottom. Now we can start here in the middle. We can draw a line, mouth part. So I'm going to start from here and it will go down here, and another one, it will start from here exactly like this. I'm going to curve this one. Now this one is going down here, turning up. This one is going to turn same way all the way to the line. Now here, this one is going down here, but this line is coming here and then turning. Kind of like this, and then it will go up, and from here it will turn. It's going a little bit down, and this one will go next to this, and we'll finish here. So let's erase all the guidelines. Now here I'm going to draw triangle shape for the teeth, like this one, the second one, and then third one. On the bottom I'm going to do 5 of them. So this is the line. Next to the line over here I will draw one ellipse shape, and then second one on the line. This one will go a little bit above the line. This one is almost on the line. So this line we can curve a little bit. Now we have to draw the eye. So this line we can see, and this line is here. So I'm going to draw a little bit above from this line, from here, and I will cross this line and then turn this one. I have to give gap, so it went a little bit up, so I have to turn from, I have to give a little bit gap over here, and then I have to draw one nice ellipse shape. If I want a little bit bigger eye, I will move this line a little bit up, so then I have a little bit more space between eye and head. This is the nostril part. So other one I will leave little bit gap here, and I will draw another one over here. So this was the line here, so I can go and cross this line. Now here I am going to draw again one circle shape or ellipse shape over here too. On the top of the nostril I am going to draw one light line. It will go here almost like this, and from here it will go this way. Here, this is the line. I will go and very close to this line, eye, or this line, I will go, and this is the mouth part to go here, and this is the line, so I will go a little bit in over here. So these are the points I have to connect. So I'm going in a little bit, then out, now from here, this one I have to give a space almost like this much. I have to go almost, I can fit a little bit more eye over here, so a little bit here and there, this much, and then this line, if I'm thinking from here, same thing I will put 2 times, so almost here or a little bit more outside, and this is the dot for this line, So I'm taking one more dot, so kind of like that it has to go. So let's start from here and let's see how does it. From here I'm going to do one curve here, and then in the middle I will stop here, and from here I can do alphabet S, and from here I'm going to do arch shape. Now on the top over here, this one eyebrow and then second eyebrow is here, and next to this one there's one line, second line and third line. Next to this eye there's one line and then second line. Next to the mouth here we will do 1, 2 and then 3, and under the mouth we are going to draw one line like this, and kind of like alphabet V, but this line is coming a little bit in, and from here I'm going to curve this line and we will make it 2 fingers like, or we can do alphabet U shape and this one will go in. Now we're here under this mouth, and I will go alphabet L or V style. Same thing, I'm going to do one and then another one, and it will come all the way. So this is looks very skinny to me. Let me erase this line. So I will start from here. It will go under this hand, and it will start from here and it will go all the way here. This will go all the way to this line. Now from here I'm going to draw one arch, alphabet U. Next to this one I'm going to draw long and small drop shapes. Here I'm going to do bird style. Next to the body I'm going to do alphabet S style. Next to this hand, this side I'm going to do again bird style. Little bit above over here to this one I'm going to do one bird style again, and 2 simple strokes like this. These eyebrows I will make it a little bit thicker. So now this is the area where I'm going to draw another fish. So I'm just thinking this way, so I can draw one line over here and kind of like a butterfly style I will do here. Now from here I'm going to try the drop shape. Here I will do one smiley face. Kind of like an alphabet L. So from here I'm going to draw 2 straight lines. Here I'm going to erase this one a little bit, and then I will do kind of like a smiley face over here, and I will turn this one on the top. I'm going to connect these two with the alphabet U over here I'm going to draw something like that. From here I'm going to draw the fin